Hey, it's Dr. Denke at Select Spine and Sports Medicine, and today we're going to show you the top 3 stretches for lower back pain. So we have 3. The first one, all you need to do is sit down. We call this the McKenzie flexion. So what you want to do is you're going to sit down, you're going to roll your back forward and try to touch the ground. You may not be able to touch the ground because of the lower back pain, but what you want to feel is a nice stretch right here in the lower back. So go ahead and come back up. Come all the way back up to sitting. Go back down again. Now, if you have a hard time pulling your upper body back up, what you can do is put your hands on your knees and then just push yourself back up so you're not using those muscles in your lower back to actually push yourself or pull yourself back up. So the next thing you're going to do is lay down on your stomach. We call this McKenzie extension, and we're going to start with the easiest way first. You're going to leave your hips and your pelvis on the table, and you're just going to push yourself up to your elbows. You should feel a little bit of compression here in your lower back. Again, this is about mobilizing your lower back and your spine. Now go back down to flat, and then she's going to go a little bit more advanced now and push herself all the way up to her hands. Now I want you to do this if you can, but if it increases any pain in the lower back or even radiating down into the leg, then don't push up that far. Now bring the hands a little bit further in underneath the shoulders, and you can push up even further. It gets a little bit more extension there in the lower back. Now come all the way down. So again, that's McKenzie extension. So we've gone flexion with the lower back, extension with the lower back. Now we're going to combine the two. She's going to go hands and knees. We call this a cat-cow. It has 2 parts. The first part, again, similar to what we explained before, is flexion of the lumbar spine. So she's going to push her back up here and round this out to get lumbar flexion. So then she's going to drop back down. The lower back goes down into lumbar extension. And then we repeat this. We normally do about 3 sets of 15. You can relax now. So in the office, we start most people on lower back exercises. These are our typical first day exercises for lower back pain. I want to give these to you. Go ahead and start doing these every day, 3 sets of 15. And then I'll check back with you in here shortly and see how those are going. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me back with this. And certainly if you have any pain, tingling, numbness, burning going down the leg, then don't proceed with those exercises and get checked out first.